So something permanent about writing that I like is also you get time to edit and rethink and make it like a real pure description of what your intent is. I'm Dr. Thomas Kelly, the CEO and founder of Heidi. Our goal at Heidi is to give every clinician in the world an AI care partner that can help them double their capacity at work. We're fortunate enough to be one of the fastest growing technology companies in Australia. Maintaining speed as you add lots of new employees around the world really comes down to culture. I think a writing culture is a good culture. Writing is, your opportunity to kind of compress and communicate in, I guess, the most precise way. We really believe in open, transparent communication. I want us to all be operating with the same information, ideally, and that means every single tool we have access to in a compliant way is connected to Notion. So you can ask Notion AI answers to questions or, what did Tom say on Slack or what was the vibe on Intercom in the last week.
Well, maybe I'll take you back to when I first started at Heidi. And I remember just opening up this random onboarding page that was just everywhere. And on day one and any new role, you're already very, very scattered, and this just was not helping anyone. One of the first things that I said to myself was, hold on a minute. If I'm struggling to get through my onboarding, how on earth are we going to scale a whole company of documentation when we're 100, 200, 1,000, 10,000 people one day? So that was when we kind of created this, what I like to call Project X, where we had gently seeded the idea with the founders and said, I think we need to change this. Let's start off small.
What we needed was a single canonical source of truth for everything. It's the way we do things, the way we build things. And if you can't find your answer there, then you go to the person who has tribal knowledge. When they answer it, we then beef up the canonical source with that extra information. The main problem we were experiencing is N times N communication patterns. So I want to ask you something, so I go Slack message you. And then you have to ask someone else something, so you Slack message them. But I don't know that you Slack message them. I might have had that information. So you create this sort of exponential of communication overhead within a company. When it comes to how we use agents, we have a custom agent that fishes our issue management software, Slack, Gmail, condenses an answer and produces it. And if that doesn't work, then we'll jump in with a manual answer. And since we've deployed that custom agent, I've not found us trafficking in that channel in the slightest.
We are saving up to and often more than 200 hours per month on people who don't have to go and retrieve documents anymore. They don't have to go and find that thing or that piece of context that is a blocker to their work. And to be honest, I'm really proud of where we are now as an organization and our adoption with Notion. I could not imagine using any other tool, to be perfectly honest with you. And I know that for a long time going into the future, it's just going to get even better and better.